Hi, I'm Shane.
And I'm Jeremy.
All right, we've got the situation. I think a lot of you will have seen this in the wild, and that is you've got to run multiple versions of Java on different machines. Why would you want to do that?
Well, the thing is that most people want to have the latest version of Java. That makes sense because it's the most secure. But then they've got these old and crusty applications like a time card app or a scheduling app or something at your university or whatever it is. And for the love of God, it only works with an old version of Java. So now you've got to make a decision. Do I want to install the latest version of Java for security, or do I want to run with old and crusty versions of Java for compatibility? So inside Java's brain, it actually has a way to let you install multiple versions and then also marry the particular website to a particular version of Java. And that's what we're going to show today.
So you can see we're going to go to the PDQ inventory and look at this computer one, Win 10 computer one. You see we have 3 versions of Java, one of Java 7, and then 2 updates, individual updates within the Java 8 family. And you're going to marry one of these to a different site. Right?
And what was great is that before we got started, you just used PDQ Deploy and you layered them all on, and they're ready to go. Let me go ahead and drive in Win 10 computer one here.
It's all yours, Jeremy.
And let's make sure that what you actually drove there is really there. We'll go to Control Panel. Let's take a look for realsies. Go to Uninstall, and we've got 760, 851, and 8171.
Gotcha.
Great. Let's go over to Internet Explorer, and let's think. I've already got it staged to java.com, and we're going to click on Do I Have Java? What do you think it's going to tell me? I've got 3 versions. Is it going to tell me I got all 3 versions?
It will tell you that whatever the last one that you installed was.
Let's check it out. Do I have Java? Verify Java version, and what do we get?
The last one installed is
8171. From a security standpoint, we're ready to go. We're all secure with Java 8171. But what we really need is to kind of get a particular website to get married to this particular version of Java. Let's go ahead and do that.
Okay.
Now we're going to go to PolicyPak land. So I'm going to go over to my Win 10 computer that has my group policy management station on it. I've got a gaggle of computers hanging out under Web PolicyPak. We're going to create a GPO and link it here called Marry Website to Java. Okay?
All right.
How's that for a name? Right click, click Edit here. And in order to make the magic happen, you're going to see the PolicyPak admin station, which is already inside the GPMC, ready to go here.
Right.
We're going to go to computer side, PolicyPak. And what we're talking about today is the Java Rules Manager. And what you can do is create a singular policy, right click, add a new policy. And let's marry it to 8151. So let's call this rule 1, and we'll say manage a particular location. And here's the trick. It has to match exactly. So what we'll do is we'll make sure we're going to match it exactly. We'll go back over to our computer here, back to Java. Make sure we don't make any mistakes. Go back to Internet Explorer here, and we're going to marry https www.java.com. Let's make sure it's got to match exactly or it doesn't work.
all right.
So we'll go back over to Win 10. Here we go. We'll go ahead and paste that in right there. In fact, we can scrape off the EN part. That's not required. And then we'll make, not the default, that would be the latest version. What we want to do is marry it to a particular version. So Java, what did I say?
It's
7, we did 8. Fine, we'll do 851. Great. So we're going to marry it exactly to 851. Okay, 851. There it is, 851. What?
Actually,
That's 31. It'd be good if I could click on it right there. There we go. What's that? I hear you cry. You're not sure what version of Java you have on the machine? You have 851, 860, 870. You don't know? No problem. You can marry it to the latest in family if you needed to. But for this, we're going to marry it exactly, make an exact match. Okay?
Yeah, if you did latest to family, it would actually do the 8171.
71, which is exactly not what we want. So that's it. You've made the rule, you've made the marriage, and you're ready to go. So we'll go back over to our endpoint, Win 10 computer 1. We'll close this out. We'll close this out. Now we'll go and run.
You gotta probably run the GP update. Yeah.
That's it. And the PolicyPak moving part is on the endpoint. We call that the client-side extension. We hook right into group policy. You already know how to use it because you already know how to use group policy. That's the good news. And then once this is over, we'll go ahead and close out the window, and we'll run Internet Explorer, and we'll see what happens. Internet Explorer. And here we go. Do I have Java? Now, the last time we ran this, it showed us the latest version on the machine. Now when we verify Java version, what's our expectation? We've married the right website to the right version of Java, and here we go. Let's wait for it.
It's B51 then.
Here we go. Boom, right there. 851, exactly the way we want. So if you've got a time card app, your physics app, some scheduling app, something at your organization or university, this is your get out of jail free card to marry a particular website to a particular version of Java, and you still have the latest version, which will fall upward for websites we didn't name. So if you go to blowmeup.com or abc.com, it'll always use the latest version. And you've married your compatible websites to your compatible version of Java.
Have your cake and eat it too.
That's
Security and compatibility.
That's it, all in one shot.
All right, I'm Shane.
I'm Jeremy.
Talk to you later.